Embedded systems and PCB assembly require precision, speed, and complete process control. From prototype development to high-volume production, manufacturers must coordinate component procurement, assembly operations, testing, inventory, and delivery without delays or quality issues. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of embedded systems and PCB assembly manufacturing. With PMTechERP, every business function is connected through a single integrated platform. From engineering and bill of materials to procurement, production planning, SMT, and through-hole assembly, testing, quality inspection, inventory management, packaging, and dispatch, every process is managed with real-time visibility. This improves collaboration, reduces manual work, and helps maintain smooth production flow. Manage complex component lists, track work orders across multiple assembly stages, monitor material consumption, and optimize machine and workforce utilization. Intelligent planning helps minimize bottlenecks, reduce downtime, and ensure on-time delivery of every order. Quality management is built into the entire manufacturing lifecycle. PMTechERP supports incoming material inspections, in-process quality checks, defect tracking, serial and batch traceability,